What's going on, guys? Kirk here from MotoGear TV. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. And as you guys can see behind me, we're in a pretty familiar place, and that's because today we're here at Mitchell's Tinting. We're going to be doing some work on the M2, getting the front windshield tinted. It's going to be a quick, easy process. Hope you guys stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright, now before we go inside, I just want you guys to check out Mitch's Drift E36. He has a pretty crazy wrap on it. Really wild color scheme. Definitely think it stands out a lot, especially with the white wheels. Gives it that nice pop. Let you guys check it out really quickly. On the inside, nice bucket seats. Now what do you guys think? Should we do a feature on the E36 drift car? Let us know in the comments.
Up the speed, yeah. I just want you to read. Be my lips when they calling your name. Yeah, I just wanna do dark. Yeah, Christian Dior. But you are the nice thing. You ain't seen before. I just wanna know credit, cause baby you fake. I'ma get your name tatted all over my face. I don't care what other.
Alright, so today we are in the lab with Mitchell's Tinting. Mitch is currently working on putting the tint in the car, just getting it fitted properly. Pretty much we're going to be going with the same percentage as we did with the front windshield, which was 50% Xpel. It's going to look pretty clean, and I don't know if some of you guys noticed, but I don't have a windshield banner anymore, and that's because unfortunately I did get a rock chip on the highway. Ended up having to replace the windshield, so I thought, you know, why not a better time than to get some new tints on it, keep the interior nice and cool, but not necessarily having it all the way smoked out. Now, as soon as Mitch is done, we're going to have him talk a little bit about the benefits about tinting your windshield and show you all the little details and benefits that come with it. But just to give you guys a quick glance at his shop, man, look how clean this space is. High ceilings, nice and cool with the AC. Guys, little workshop over here. And also he does have an additional space on the side that customers can come and chill out at, or even store his second drift car, his C6 Corvette. Man, this thing is really sick as well. It'd be nice to be able to take a drive in either this or the E36. I think it'd be pretty cool. What do you guys think? Should we do a drift video? Let me know. And if you guys are interested in his services, he's located conveniently in South Daytona. Has a price list of everything if you guys wanted to do to come in and get a quote. They're available Monday through Friday once you schedule them, and trust me guys, their customer service is A1. Alright, so today we're back in the lab with the man himself, Mitch of Mitchell's Tinting. You want to tell them a little bit about what we did today?
So we did the front windshield with double layer XR Plus film by Xpel. Nice. It blocks 53% of the solar heat and 97% of the infrared heat. It's going to protect the dash from cracking. It blocks 99.9% of the UV, which will damage the interior of the car. So now you have full protection all the way around. And plus, you're also sitting a foot behind the windshield, so you really feel that heat. And now with the new film, you won't feel it at all.
Yeah, and this is pretty cool because I've been in a car that has it before, and I could really notice that, you know, the sun rays, you can really feel it when it doesn't have it versus when it has it.
Even the glare, it blocks out a lot of glare as well too.
Yeah, and I'm excited because, you know, obviously you guys know that we got our car tinted before with Mitchell's Tinting. We did 50% on the front windshields, and I think we did about, if it was 15%
15 on the back, 50 on the side.
Yeah, so this time went ahead and did the same thing on the front windshield just to kind of match everything else. And I'm really excited to see how this is, you know, when I'm outside, because I park this car outside sometimes, and the tint on the car itself does a really good job in keeping everything cool. But I know that having on the windshield now is going to definitely make everything nice.
It's one of the best films on the market. Like, you can't go wrong. I mean, 98% of the infrared heat, it's a lot. So.
Nice. So as far as like people doing this, I guess how dark can you really go on the front windshield? Is there like a limit in Florida at least, or?
Technically it's all illegal, it's clear, but if it's clear, technically you're not putting a tint to it.
Okay.
Most cops look at it like, you know, it's clear, you're not trying to hide, it's a more of a heat rejection type of thing, rather than, you know, but then you do have boys putting 15 and, you know,
trying to go super discreet.
I think if it's clear, they're not really going to bother you.
Okay,
So,
nice.
It's more of a protection thing at that point.
And we were kind of filming while you were doing your thing, and you knocked it out pretty quickly. I mean, how long does it normally take for you to kind of do it?
I could probably do a windshield in 30 minutes.
Okay.
But most shops are going to tell you an hour.
Okay, nice.
We have a plotter machine. We have the Graph Tech machine that cuts out the film, so it makes it super fast. But this one I actually hand cut, so it took a little longer. So maybe about 40 minutes.
Yeah, man. But the quality of the work, man, A1. For those folks, you know, in this area, South Daytona, Orlando, you know, how can they find you? I know we've done a video before, but for those people watching it for the first time, you know, how do they contact you?
We're on Instagram, Facebook, Mitchell's Tinting. Our phone number is 407-501-3069.
Nice.
And we're on all the platforms, pretty much, Google, all that. So.
And you guys are open what days?
Monday through Friday from 8 to 5. Weekends sometimes if I don't have an event that I'm doing personally. Pretty much it.
And speaking of events, I know you have a couple little drift cars, you know, out here. You want us to kind of look at the E36 and check it out?
Yeah, you can check it out. Come
awesome.
on.
Nice, man. This thing is sick. I'm assuming that you didn't get the car like this.
No, it was originally like a $5,000 E36. I got it. It had seats in it, had the hydro in it, and it had modified knuckles on it.
Okay.
But then I took it and I pretty much put wide body on it. We cut the trunk out. I put Cooler Works shifter. I put the FDF floor plates. I changed every bushing on the car to spherical bushings.
Nice.
I did every hose, every seal, everything you can probably think of on this car besides power and besides the cage. I did the floor plates, shifter.
Check this thing out, guys. Like, this is insane.
It's got a CSF cooling system. So the whole cooling system, it's all got all Beamer World hoses on the whole car.
Nice.
It has the aluminum top, which they normally come with the metal or plastic tops, but no really upgrades besides bolt-ons.
Okay, nice.
Just cleaned up what I had.
Okay.
I don't really want to turbo it because you get into turbos and you get into problems.
Yeah.
I like the naturally aspirated. This car, you can floor it for the last 3 years. I floored this thing at 7,000 RPM.
Nice. I can imagine it rips really nice.
Yeah.
This is sick, man.
SLR angle kit, SLR rear control arm, all new brakes, brake lines, hoses, the whole car. Every bolt on it.
This is sick. So I think we definitely need to go for ripping this one day. So guys, if you guys want to see Mitchell ripping the E36 on the channel, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
Alright, so guess what, guys? We're gonna go for a little quick impromptu spin in the E36 just to see how it is. This should be fun. Teaser, guys, no teaser.
We'll take you to the track next time. There's all kinds of people out there, so we couldn't do too much. That was a good little whip.
Nice. All right, and just like that, this quick little video is wrapped up. Once again, big shout out to Mitchell's Tinting. Awesome customer service, awesome tinting skills. If you guys do hit them up, let them know that MotoGear TV sent you guys.
We'll hook you up with a discount.
Yeah, we'll make sure to hook you guys up.
Yeah.
And again, if you guys like to see more installs, more reviews, and want to see the E36, let me know as well. Tune in for more geared up content. And until then, we're gone.